Hi, today I'm going to introduce to you the 48V 100Ah battery module from Sacred Sun FNS Power with a total capacity of 4.8 kilowatt hour. Okay, so here we have it. We have the mounting holes on the side if mounting onto a standard 19-inch rack. And we have the handles for lifting and carrying purposes. In the top left corner, we have the quality certification date, which is also the manufacturer's date. On the other corner, we have the UL1973 stamp, which is necessary for the US market. Down below, we have the grounding screw. Above that, these components, the first one, we have the charge LED lights, which each light represents 25% of the state of charge of the battery module, the SOC, 4 of them in total, 100%. Next, we have the alarm light, which lights up red if there's a fault. Next to that, we have the run light, which will flash to say that the battery's operation is operating normal. Next, we have the dip switch, the add, which you change that to distinguish each battery to the inverter and also the computer for monitoring purposes. Next, we have all the RS connections. The first one, the RS232, it's recommended that we do use the RS485s instead. We can also hook up the CAN bus to this RS485 connection. We have the reset button after that, which is for turning on and off the battery. And then we have the dry contacts for external loads. And then we have the battery output connection terminal block. To do that, we just take off that plastic cover and we have the 2 positives and the 2 negatives for connecting up each battery to the buzz bar and for wiring in parallel to other modules. That just clips on like so. Also with the battery module, we get this bag of goodies. And inside, first we have the communication cable for connecting into the RS485 to each battery module. And then we have the negative and the positive cable connecting from the terminal block to the buzz bar. And then just some extra bolts for mounting the side to the 19-inch racks. Okay, so now I'm just going to turn this battery on just to show you the lights lighting up. So we just get a pin or something small to put in this hole here, press it once and that will light on. It will run through this sequence to show that it's working. So now we have the 2 LEDs on, which are at 50% charge. And that's when we deliver these batteries, that's what they will be. They'll be around the 50% mark. And the run LED light is going on and off to show that it's on and it's operating. And to turn it back off, we put the pin back in there, hold it for a couple of seconds, and then it'll run the sequence down. And now the battery is off. And there you have it. That's our 4.8 kilowatt hour battery module from Sacred Sun FNS Power. Thank you and see you next time.